See, this is what we have for treating the symptom of the leaking of air. We have here, they install a temporary compressor because the main compressor gave out because it can't keep up with all the leaks. So they have a temporary compressor over there and then connected to the main compressor inlet line. And from that inlet line, it goes through here and it goes to the radiator to the dry system. And this is just treating the symptoms instead of fixing the pipe, replacing the pipe and fixing all the leaks, and wouldn't have to lead to another compressor, probably a false alarm, and constantly checking the system pressure. So there we go. There we have it.